Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
This is your afternoon daily weather briefing. I'm James Spann. This is for Thursday, the 13th of October. As expected, the skies become sunny this afternoon. We're going to be in pretty good shape for a while. The big story, it's this cold air coming in here next week. Easily the coldest air so far this season, so get ready. So this is the upper air look across the country. This is about 18,000 feet off the ground. Notice the big trough that's over the eastern states. That pushed the cold front through here early this morning, and we are now in a very dry air mass. Visible satellite view, the sky mostly sunny across the state. A few fair weather cumulus clouds over the southern counties, and the rain is long gone. But boy, we saw some beneficial rain yesterday. We had a few folks going over 3 inches of rain, posted a long list over on the Facebook page. But that's the radar composite. Doing this update about 3:18 on Thursday afternoon. The rain is down in parts of South Florida. Got a few temperatures on the board, mostly 70s. Across the state today. We're going to see low 80s in here tomorrow and Saturday and possibly Sunday as well. Here's the watch warning map across the country. All the counties with the hot pink, those are red flag warnings for the potential for wildfire danger there across parts of the nation's midsection, and flash flood watches in effect for parts of the northeast United States. Got a marginal risk of severe storms on the coast of Texas and also from around Richmond, Virginia, up into parts of New York State in advance of that front. Tomorrow, no severe weather expected across the country. And then on day 3, which is Saturday, there is a small marginal risk for parts of the Mid-South. This would include Little Rock and Memphis and Paducah, Kentucky, with that next front. But by the time that reaches us on Sunday, probably not much rain at all. In fact, this is the rain for the next 7 days, showing very little here. We could see a few spotty, isolated showers, maybe late Sunday or Sunday night, maybe early Monday. But as you can see, really not much in the way of meaningful rain here for the next 7 days. In the tropics, we have Tropical Storm Carl in the far southwestern Gulf of Mexico. This is a highly sheared system, not especially strong. The top winds have dropped to 45 miles an hour, and this is dropping to the south. This will come into the coast of Mexico either late tomorrow night, early Saturday morning, mainly as a big rainmaker for them. And this is far, far south of Brownsville, Texas. The rest of the Atlantic Basin is awfully quiet, which is good. The Hurricane Center identifying that one wave in the far eastern Atlantic. And at this point, this only has a 20% chance of becoming a depression or storm over the next 5 days, and most likely this begins to gain latitude. So bottom line is, no systems threatening the United States anytime soon. So, model fans, here we go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. A big trough over the eastern states, and tomorrow's going to be a sunny day with a really big warm-up. We're going to start the day down in the 40s, maybe upper 30s for some of the colder pockets, but the high will be close to 80. And that happens sometimes in October. That's a sign the air will be very dry, nothing but sunshine. This is Saturday, a sunny day, and a pretty warm afternoon. We're going to see low 80s in most spots. In fact, we might see a few locations in the mid-80s on Saturday. But again, the day will be dry. And then Sunday, we'll have a surface front coming in here, and that might squeeze out a few spotty showers late in the day or Sunday night. But moisture very limited, dynamic support very weak, and many places probably not getting rain at all. And then Monday, we'll see that really cool air coming down here. And look at the Great Lakes. You see the blue up there. That's snow for parts of Michigan and Wisconsin. That's a sign of the times. Monday, the high will drop in the 60s. And by Tuesday, the high will drop into the 50s. The new model data coming in colder. And that's with a sunny sky, a pretty good north breeze. And then by Wednesday morning, if the winds go calm, and we think they will be near calm, we're going to see frost deep into South Alabama. And many places in North Alabama will experience their first freeze of the season. This is Wednesday morning of next week. And a week from today, this is Thursday, the 20th of October. Again, a trough in the east. And again, we are cool and dry. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, the 23rd of October. Still got troughing in place here, and evidence there might be enough moisture for a few showers over the southern half of the state, but understand this is 10 days out, and we all know this could easily change. Rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the GFS ensemble, and really not much for the rest of the month. The mean, the green line, is under 1 inch. And look at temperatures. Again, you can see a warm weekend ahead. We're expecting low 80s on Saturday and Sunday. And then look at Tuesday, the high dropping to 59. This is for Birmingham. And the low for Birmingham, and this is coming off the National Blend of Models by Wednesday morning, showing 34. That means many places over the northern half of the state will likely experience their first freeze of the season. And again, a good chance we see frost deep into South Alabama Wednesday morning of next week. 'Tis the season. And this is the latest 8 to 14-day guidance in the House. And this is for October 21st through October 27th. So after that cold air next week, this is suggesting we might see a warm up toward the end of the month when temperatures near or maybe slightly above average at that point. So that's it for this afternoon. Had a great time today at Hueytown High School. Really, really fun time today. We had a good time there. Tomorrow I'll be at Tarrant Elementary School in the morning. Tomorrow evening for our Friday night rivals game on My 68, I'll be at Alexandria High School, home of the Valley Cubs. They'll be taking on the Panthers of Southside. That'll be a great game. That'll be on My 68 tomorrow night at 7. And then Saturday morning, don't forget we have a book signing at the BJCC downtown Birmingham. This is the South Exhibition Hall. And we'll be there from 11 until 2. 11 until 2. And if you're going to the UAB game, you can stop by and see us. That'll be a lot of fun. Again, the weather looks just great for the college football games on Saturday. So that's it for the Weather Extreme video, the weather briefing video. We'll have notes on the blog, AlabamaWX.com. And if you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.